Hi Mango. Today's a sunny day, so we're gonna make a video. Hi Blueberry. Blueberry's been molting. Yeah, all the pin feathers on the head. See? All the pin feathers. What are we going to do today? Are we going to show people your favorite toy? Mango's favorite toy is the ball. Yes, he takes turns playing with just one toy, and he plays with it all day long. So, for the last, I would say, month or two, the big ball is Mango's favorite. And Blueberry, what's your favorite? You've been liking the wooden ladder. Let's get you to the wooden ladder. Come on. And show everyone. Blueberry likes to chew on the wooden ladder. It's good for his beak. The wooden ladder is right here. It's behind this playset. No, you don't want to chew on it now? But anyway, Blueberry's favorite toy is this wooden ladder right here. And he's been chewing on it. You can see. He's been working on it. Can we focus on that? Want to demonstrate how you chew on it, Blueberry? Come on. Let's see. You feel like chewing on anything now? Yep. Very good. See? Blueberry likes to chew on this wooden ladder. It sharpens his beak. Okay, we're not going to touch you. He doesn't like to be disturbed. Very good, Blueberry. So he spends some time doing that. So what's Mango's favorite toy? Mango's favorite toy is this. This ball right here. As we all know, he pushes it all around the house. But he has a lot of toys that he likes. For example, he's right here by this mirror. What's your bird's favorite toy? Please comment and write in. Thanks for watching.